All right, we're back. Some more on this '06 GT Mustang. We're talking about how we're cutting out and venting the fenders instead of going with aftermarket ones, so the owner can keep a steel fender instead of switching over to ABS plastic fender or a fiberglass fender. So we've got it all cut out, made up and everything here. Everything's ready to work. We left a little bit of room down here because we're going to sit there and we're going to use and still run a GT badge in the lower part down there. So we left the room for that. Owner liked the idea that we gave him on that, so we decided to go with that. But the only thing we've got left to do here is we've got our lip on the inside that our grill will actually bolt to from the back side there, so that closes that out. But this is all ready to work and put in primer on that. We've got our other side over here. We've got it done. Also, owner decided he wanted us to go ahead and shave out the antenna, so we went ahead and got rid of that. But same thing on this side here. It's all done, ready to final work, get it in primer, and get that finished up with. Had a couple of places that wanted us to go ahead and fix here on the door. A little bit of damage on the quarter right there, just minor stuff, so we went ahead and took care of that. We've also already got our Cervini bumper cover. We've been blocking on it, got it in primer. It's got about ready for its second prime on it, and get everything ready to start painting on that. But next we'll move on to making the hood scoop for the car. So keep watching, stay tuned, and we'll have some more for you. Thanks.